Okay, so Enzo is given clues to help us solve a problem. The shape is a polygon, so that means a many-sided shape. Has an odd number of sides, not a triangle, fewer than 7 sides. 3 of the interior angles are 106. Other angles are called x. So let's work out the number of the sides first. We know that it has an odd number of sides, so it could have, can't have 1, it could have 3, 5, 7, 9 sides. But we know it's not a triangle, so it definitely doesn't have 3 sides. And it has fewer than 7 sides, so we know that it's got 5 sides. It's going to be a pentagon. Okay, so we use those clues. 3 of the interior angles, so we'll draw a rough pentagon. 3 of the interior angles each measure 106. So 106, 106 and 106. The other 2 angles are marked with the letter X. Now remember, sum for the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180. That gives us the sum of the interior angles. Okay, so n is the number of sides, so we know 5, take away 2 times 180 is going to give us 540 degrees. So all of these angles add up to 540 degrees. So we know that 3 of them are 106 degrees. So if 3 of them are 106 degrees, that is going to be 318 degrees. But in total they make 540. So we can take away the 3 that we know. 540, take away the 3 we know, is going to leave us with 222 degrees. 222 is this angle, add this angle. So you want to divide that by 2 is going to be 111 degrees. So x is 111 degrees. Okay, so we knew that all 5 of them was 540. 3 of them were 318 because they already told us that. Take them away, you get 222, half that to find 1. Question 15. Look straight at this, we can tell angles on a straight line. This time a bit of algebra. Okay, find the size of the angles. So we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180. So we know that that angle, add that angle, add that angle, equals 180. Now it's a bit of solving algebra. Collect up all your like terms. We have 7y, add 3y is 10y, add 8y is 18y. 32 add 50 is 82. Take away 10 is 72. And that equals 180. So it's collected up my like terms. Now then, want to solve this. Remember, we're solving equations, always move over this part first. So minus the 72. Whatever I do to the one side, do to the other. So you get 18y is 180, take away 72. So 18y is 108 degrees. I want to get rid of this 18, so we divide by 18. So y is 108 divided by 18 is just going to be 6. Now they don't want us to find just y, they want to find out what the whole angle is. So the first angle is 7y, so 7 times 6 plus 32, which is 74 degrees. Second one is 3 times y, so 3 times 6, we found up here, plus 50, which is going to be 68 degrees. And the last one is 8 times y minus 10, which is going to be 38 degrees. Okay, so expanding brackets. Remember, when we expand brackets, multiply everything in the bracket by what's outside. So we do y times y to the power 3. Multiplying the indices, we add the power, so we end up with y to the 4. Plus y times 6. So 6y. Next question, solve. When you get one like this, always move over the adding or subtracting first. So first bit you need to do is minus the 54. Opposite of add 54 is minus 54. Whatever you do to the one side, do to the other. So you still have x over 3. This disappears. It's 63 minus 54, which is just going to give us 9. Okay, x divided by 3. Opposite of dividing by 3 is timesing by 3. So times this by 3 and times this by 3. So x is just 27. Nth term. Nth term, first thing we need to do is remember is writing the rule for the sequence. Is find the jump. So jump going up there and going up there is adding 3. Put that at the beginning. Ooh, sorry, made a complete mistake there. The jump going there and the jump going there is adding 4. So that goes at the beginning of our sequence. Then, so you can see the jump is 4. That goes at the start. Then we always follow that with an N. Okay, so you find the jump, then follow it with an N. Then we say, how do we get from the 4 to the 3? We take away 1. Okay, so find the jump. That is 4, that goes at the start. Then put an N. Then we say, how do we get from the 4 to the 3? Take away 1. Final question. So this is the total mass of potatoes produced by 200 plants in a greenhouse. Okay, draw a frequency diagram. Remember, frequency diagram is like a bar chart. So they've already given you the graph and the axis drawn out. So 0 to 5, you go 0 to 5, that goes up to 6. Now then, 10 little squares go up to 20. So 20 divided by 10 tells us that each little square is worth 2. So we're going up 1, 2, 3 squares for 6. Next one, we want to go to 20. That's pretty easy because there's 20 there. And can you see there are no gaps between them? Okay. Next one, 10 to 15, you go up to 70. So that's directly between 60 and 80 in the middle of those. Again, no gaps. Using a ruler. 15 to 20, go up to 88. So 80 is each one's worth 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. And the last one, 20 to 25 is 16. So go up to 10 is there. 12, 14, 16. Okay, you can see my finished graph there with no, like a bar chart, no gaps. Okay, state which class contains the median. Median is the middle number. The middle of 200. There are 200 in total. So we want to find the 100th one. So we've got 6 is here. That is in the 100th. Add 20 gives us 26. Add 70 is going to give us 96. We still haven't got to the 100th one. If we add on this 88, somewhere in here, we're going to reach 100 because we only need 4 more and we've got 88 to go. So we know that this is going to contain the median.